Today I will be doing for you honey glazed chicken wings with waffle. So let's get right into it. So we're gonna start off by seasoning our chicken wings. So I'm adding some onion seasoning, some garlic powder, light soy sauce, a little dark soy sauce, and with that I'm adding a little drizzle of olive oil because I'm gonna pop this right in the air fryer, guys, and I don't want it to dry out. I have some ginger over here finely chopped. I'm just gonna throw that in as well. Some scallion. Next we're gonna add a little salt, then a little all-purpose. Go ahead and add your favorite seasoning, guys. All right, so now we're gonna give this a good mix. Yeah, we're gonna massage it. I don't cut my chicken wings. I don't want them to be cut. I just clean them up, give them a good clean up, a good wash using your lemon, vinegar, anything that you have at hand in your kitchen. You can go ahead and use it. I always tell you that, right, guys? All right, so after giving this a good mix, so we are going to set this aside to marinate a little. About half hour, 20 minutes to half hour. That should be all right. So while our chicken is marinating, I'm making myself a little sauce. So I'm using some honey right here. I'm gonna put a little drizzle, a little ketchup in that. Then I'm gonna tip a little lime juice just to get it a little light, and then we're gonna give that a good mix. Alrighty. Look at that. Now we're gonna drizzle this all over our chicken wings. And give that a good mix. So we're gonna give this a good little mix and just set it aside. That should do. Guys, I changed my mind. I was going to pop the chicken wings in the air fryer, but nah. So I'm doing stovetop. So that's some vegetable cooking oil. I'm just gonna go ahead and spread this in the pot. Alrighty. So we're about to put these lovely chicken wings in the pot. So here we go. We are flipping our chicken wings. In with our sauce, we're going to turn the stove down and cover this and let it take its own little time. Yeah. Whoa. So that's our honey glazed chicken wing, guys. We're ready to eat right now. Yeah man, this can take off right about now. Sweet scent of the honey I'm smelling. Whoa. So this is our waffle. Chicken waffle.